How you doing, everyone? Today we're going to change the wiper blade. As I mentioned in the previous video, that I bought this truck when it was sitting. This truck was sitting, so the wiper blade is going. You can see how bad it is. So this is Bosch right here. This wiper blade is Bosch. So what you do is you lift it up. Hopefully I can do it with one hand. But you know, you can lift it up from right here up. See how I lift up? That's the Bosch right here. And you just pull it down. And it's gonna come out. You see how it comes out from right here? It comes out. Then you take it back out. Wipe this if you want to. And then take the new one out. Let me take it out. Okay, that's the new one right here. See, you got like a little tab over here or something. See how it is? I should focus. So that is gonna clip to right here. So what you gotta do is just put this little piece on top. See right here on top. You can pop it out a little bit. See how? And pull it back in here. And that's it. Easy and simple. See how this is? That's the old one. See how bad was that? Okay, so we just put it back. We got the two replaced. And that's it. It's very easy to replace them if you just follow the 2 or 3 steps. All right, guys, subscribe for more videos.